Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you the exact step-by-step of how you can get your TIN in Nigeria. If you don't know what TIN means, it means tax identification number. Now, why do you actually need a tax identification number? You need a TIN in case of maybe you want to start a business, or maybe you want to do something that relates to loans, or maybe you want to apply for grants, or maybe you want to do something like a transaction online. All right, you might be asked for your TIN. Apart from that, you need TIN actually to pay your taxes. Okay, so this is a video that will walk you through all of the entire process. And if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, I want to welcome you to this channel. Before we get into the video, just like this video, subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss any of the contents that I will be publishing. All right, when you turn on your notification, it helps you to be notified whenever I post new videos. Now let's get straight into the video proper. So here is the site where you can get your TIN in Nigeria. So if you log on to etax.lirs, I'll drop the link in the description section, so you can just click on it and it will take you to this page right here. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you here, and then we can now follow through this process to get your TIN here in Nigeria. So how do you register here? If you're a first timer, what you need to do is to scroll down. All right, scroll down to this place. Can you see how to register? What you need to do is to verify your identity. That's the first step. You need your NIN or your BVN, and then the next thing is for you to secure your account using a password, and then you will get your taxpayer's ID, which is your TIN. Okay, so you come here. Let's just look at what we have down. If you go down, you see the features, meaning that you can get instant payment, you can pay your taxes and get receipt instantly. You can do returns filing, that's when you are doing a business. Okay, you can do assessment and e-alert, you can do your tax professional stuff, whatever you want to do, and then if you are an individual, you can use it to pay your taxes. So this is for individuals. This is also for cooperatives or corporations, that's big companies. All right, so take your time and look at all of this that is on this place, but let's just go straight and register and get our TIN. So you click on I want to register. All right, you click on it. Let's click on it and wait. Yes, you can see now this is showing create new account. Are you seeing now? Create new account. So what would you do here? You leave it as individual. That is if you are doing it as an individual. If you are a business, you're going to come to okay, I think it's just there as an individual because of the choice I've made, the one I've chosen. So you click on individual, you come here now and you insert BVN. All right, so what is our BVN number? I'm going to just type in the BVN number. So you type in your BVN number there, right? So next step is for you to insert your date of birth. So I insert my date of birth here. So this might take a while, but let's just see. Now we have successfully filled the BVN and the date of birth. So we click on the verification button just to be sure that we are not robots, and then we click on proceed. So I'll click on proceed and wait. Okay, let me click on this again. Okay, you can see it's saying BVN number verified. Moving to the next. Now this is where we need to fill in all of this form. All right, so make sure to fill it carefully. So I'll fill this now, just follow me. Okay, So let me fill in my password. So this place is asking for my LASRA number. So because I'm a Lagosian, right, it's asking for my LASRA number because I'm a Lagosian. If you're a Lagosian, you don't have your LASRA number, you can go to your local government office to get your LASRA number. So I'll fill this up now. So let's fill up the nationality, fill up this, and then you keep filling in all of this. All right, make sure to fill the correct details. Okay, make sure to fill the correct details. So just fill up all of this. Let's go. And then we submit. Let's submit. So once you are done with filling this correctly, they are going to send you an email. All right, they're going to send you a verification email to check for your team. All right, so once you correctly fill this, they are going to send you a verification mail to your email asking you to check. All right, so do well to fill this correctly. Once you fill it correctly, they are going to send you all that information, and then with time, in let's say within 24 hours or maybe 3 days, you're going to get your TIN. So I believe you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, please like this video and subscribe and turn on your notification bell, and I'm going to see you in my next video. If you have questions for me on how you can make money online or any other thing that you want to know, please drop a comment for me in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.